Support for me. Okay, so what's your business?
I don't even know yet. I'm not ready. You just mess with me.
We got your back. What is it so we can support?
I have a group home for developmentally disabled people.
Okay.
We do 24-hour nursing care for them. That's kind of our patient. We have like a nursing staff. So it's if somebody has like a feeding tube or a trach or diabetes or some type of issue where they need nursing. So that is a part of that as well. Yeah. Because if nothing else, we could at least get him connected to who he needs to be able to get services. Yeah.
She fired me, remember? Twice.
And ran into the
Exactly. I'm getting hit over the head every which way.
But you need a helmet for your head.
Oh, I need a bodysuit, girl. I'm taking it in every direction.
Where do you want your blanks to be? After PRN or after
PRN? You want that's why they come in and okay.
So how was it? Yeah?
She don't even like before she used to come in and walk and she like sit down. She told us what to do. Like grab the books we're gonna go through what I had and just update everything.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Oh, see, he been doing good. Excuse yourself out of here.
Okay, so today's episode is a little bit of day in the life, and I'm just going to give some context because it's not going to be that easy to follow along, but we're going through 3 different things. At the beginning, we're working on reformatting the MAR. The MAR that we have currently, it's like hard to edit in there, so a little bit of this is just like trying to adjust it to make sure that all of the different sections, like the medications, the PRNs, and the staff signatures fit, and then it's easier to edit in the future. So that's the first part of this. The second part, we're talking a little bit about the monitoring visits that we get every month from APD and how many we've had up until this point and just what that experience has been like for a brief moment. And then last but not least, we're going over expense tracking for patients. So for every patient you have, you're going to have to keep track of their Social Security funds that come in and any spending that you're doing on their behalf and have that in their binder. But if you have any other questions about this episode, just leave them in the comments below and we'll circle back on it or reply directly to your comment.
Oh, they will?
Yes.
Oh, and
see, I can only get one
be able to
blank on there, not 2.
No, 1 is okay because he normally it always be like a 1 called like a 1 med. What would be like? You see.
So today we had visit number what from your APD monitor?
I don't know. How many months has been? 6.
Number 6.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Mm-hmm.
And they visit us how frequently?
Once a month.
Once a month. And what they check for today?
You love this too.
Is it PRN? No.
What's the PRN?
Whatever will go in the blank.
No, just leave it blank. Don't write
Okay,
nothing
I'm just
there.
going to delete it.
Yeah.
This.
Mm-hmm. They check for patient consent form, support plan, implement plan, all the consent, medication validation, his finances, receipts, and then do a walkthrough of the home.
And did you finally get the same monitor, or are they still passing
the same one, but not the one from last month, but the same one
and this
from previous.
No,
she didn't say.
We don't know who it's gonna be. It look like they're gonna do something different all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So round robin, here we go. That could be a good thing or a bad thing. How you feel about it?
We have
good
stuff
or bad,
organized,
we
so
have
it don't
our stuff
matter.
together.
It don't even matter. Y'all
No.
ain't phased by it. The Antoinette run a tight ship, huh? Does she have any commentary to provide about the ship that Antoinette's running? Did she give y'all a pat on the back in some areas?
A pat on the back.
For improvement?
No, a pat on the back. We gave
For
her
the
a
signatures,
flyer.
we got more people than this, so I'm gonna move that down to another page so that everybody's signature. Where you want that to be at?
Fit on the first page, huh?
Where do you want it?
Can it fit on the very first page?
If it's gonna go on the very first page, I would have to move it up. It's not gonna fit because the medications are full.
So put some there, don't some go somewhere else?
Do you want all the signatures in one place? What do you want?
There and then on the second page.
For different people? I'm gonna make a signature.
We all just sign one time.
Right, but I need enough lines for everybody, so I would just make a page.
Eliminate
for
pages and just add it under that and another page.
It's not possible.
Okay.
You know, Antoinette be doing
I can put on the PRN page, cut this in half, and have the signatures on the bottom of the PRN page.
No, because we need that. That's the sheet that they add when he have an episode to give medication and pain.
Oh, because it's multiple things.
We have like 2 pages.
Yeah, I don't have no page to add.
Oh, can it go underneath the blank one? The blank one that you just did?
Well, I just added one that you told me. You said you didn't want a whole page of blank.
Oh, you didn't do a whole. Okay.
So did you want a whole?
Can the signature fit
I would try.
Yes, the signature can fit there.
So what y'all working on?
We need 7 spots. We're updating our MR. Our MAR. Yeah.
See, this is what I don't understand. This whole you see how I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this page?
You got school today?
No, thank God.
You on shift?
Yeah. I'm PRN. I just come in when something is going on. So we had a visit. I'm here. We have a call out. I'm here.
Even living a life, I'll be like, oh, when I grow up, child, I did it wrong.
How you did it, Antoinette?
Antoinette traveling and she crying.
Thus far.
Right, shut up.
Everybody always come in and you flew down. You know.
They don't understand that that's work too. That's still work.
Living on the beach and having free food is work.
That is still work.
What kind of work?
Is work.
You see that?
That's still work. Everybody got different jobs.
What your job is?
Your job is aggravating me right now.
Story of my life. Get married, they say. It'll be fun, they say. Who is that?
The married couple?
What are they talking about?
The married couple?
I'm going to have to remake this whole thing. What happened? The format of this sheet. But you didn't need me to print you nothing today, right?
No, everything's okay today.
So when's the next team meeting?
The end of the year, November, maybe? Yeah, in November sometime. When I check the ref schedule and the traveler schedule. Yeah, sometime in November.
You know she got a whole new slate of trips planned.
She told me, she updated me. No?
She told you to share, please share.
No, she just shared some dates with me. Maybe you have to go home and finalize and pick out your dates.
She didn't tell you any locations potentially?
She never shares the locations with me, just the dates.
You don't ask.
Just the dates.
You want locations too? Oh, okay then.
But sometimes, you know what I do? I'm like, how could I contact you? WhatsApp or regular? She's like, regular. And when I should go out the country, she'll be like, WhatsApp.
You got the international call.
Oh, now? Oh, that's why. Okay. Because one time I had to write on WhatsApp. Let's see.
Oh my God.
What happened? I messed up completely.
Oh my God, this thing is terrible.
What did you do?
I don't know yet. It's at 12:15.
Time rolling. Time rolling.
Yeah.
Expressing care, concern.
No, that was a passive aggressive something.
Even you know you're passive aggressive. That's a nice one.
Judge, turn it on and you nice, Joe?
Without a doubt. That's the truth.
Ava said, Josh said 3 patients is coming here tomorrow. I said tomorrow? She said yes. The house is going to be full. I said I don't think tomorrow.
I don't know where she gets it.
She said tomorrow. I'm like, okay.
I said no such thing. But I may have expressed a little excitement or a little joy and said, you know, Mama, she doing big things for us, Ava. And I may have said, that's why being a good person.
So today she like, you work, you have clinicals, or you got school? I'm like, well, you know about
In your
clinicals.
business.
Yeah, I'm like, she said, because we have to go shopping for healthy food. We need carrots and broccoli. I said on Saturday.
David told me he played for the Eagles.
Yeah, he played today. He the only good person on that team, and he wasting my money. It's garbage. They be like, how long he's been playing? I'm like, he just started. Why y'all kids don't know nothing? He know he's like the best player on the team.
Because they're not trying to get out the hood. That's why.
Like,
they're just playing for fun. They're not trying to change nobody's life.
They just all be on Avon. Avon is, I'm like,
You gotta look at soccer.
So I found one, Excel. They sent me a sheet home. It's indoor.
That's not us. Y'all got an Excel soccer?
I guess, yeah. It's one. It's called Excel. Then one in Winter Park called something else. So let's see.
So Josh Short people could do soccer. Is that it?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
So I will put your receipt his money on 9/1.
Did I?
I'm trying to update. I don't know. Did you?
Let's find out.
I think.
Where that printout I gave you?
Yeah.
It ain't show no reset.
Where would it went on the card? Oh, it don't go on a direct
Nothing
express?
went on the card yet.
Oh, so next month will go on the card.
It always come on 9/1? Do it always come on 9/1?
It always come on the first, but if the end of the month falls on the weekday, then you'll get it the last month of the month you're in.
How can you check? So we
But
can
you
have
got
accurate
September
records.
came. No, I think September came. Let me tell you.
Oh no. Oh.
We got September money on 9/1 because that was a Friday. So like you see how the second is a Saturday. If that was the first, you would have got your money on August 31st. Gusto.
Yes, September 1st.
It was 9/14. Okay.
And so that's not in this number.
Huh?
That's not in this number.
Oh, you have to add that to that?
Yep. I will put it. So just write a note and say transferred 9/14 on whatever today's date is.
Okay.
And then we write the new total.
Why are you laughing, Jen?
These transfers to savings don't do anything. Let's see. That came in, so the amount is right. We spent that, that's the right amount. We spent that, that's the right amount. What's this? We took that, then the amount adjusted to that. That's the same. So none of these things move. We just move bank accounts. That's just a note. So this should be his end balance right there. That's just 3 medicines.
Yeah. The pole didn't go with his order?
The pole.
Did it go with the wipes? So I thought I ordered the wipes by itself. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, the pole missing. The pole is missing, and
Do you see
the wipes
wipes?
are missing. They
So
not
that
on.
order didn't go through.
So on September 20th, I just have 3 medicines. You ordered Clorox wipes for the house?
It say healthcare wipes. You see it? It's like $20. I ordered 2 of those in the pole.
I got no.
The wipes went up $9, bro.
No, it did. It went up $1.
It did. No, it was $20. Now it's $29.14.
It said it was 28, and it's increased to 29.
Wait and look for something cheaper.
No, but look, it said it was 28.78, and it went up to 29.14.
It was $20. So you don't see the pole?
Pole missing completely. Okay, so pole missing. It didn't get ordered or paid for. So what you got?
I'm gonna just work with
printout
this.
you got is it,
and then I'll just add it to the next order.
And I looked under cancel orders. The pole is not there either.
That's weird. Okay, so let me just work with this. 6. Alrighty. Then we'll just do that. Okay, Josh. She's all yours, Joshua.
She's not.
She don't want much. She don't want
She's not done.
Well, she not here, Josh.
Still
Okay,
busy.
so perfect. Alright, so we're all caught up. So that's what the number needs to be. Take away the 40.
So just put a tax line, put it there.
Okay.
And then the next time we do it, we'll try to break it out, right? Almost died. And what we can still use all the lines, but instead of putting their equal amount, you just put the date, one date, the lines for all the stuff, and then the total. So we'll do it like that next month.
Okay.
I'm scared. Blink twice. She over here blinking hard. What he don't know is Ashley a photographer also. Ashley a whole photographer. I don't know why that didn't turn on.
So that part is very like edge person. I like to see the edges pop.
Okay, I saw the roll. I see the roll. I see it. I see roll. Amazing. That was amazing. That was amazing.